this video, we're going to look at Haru Invest, which is a secure way for you to be able to earn interest on your cryptocurrency. Nothing I say on this video is financial advice. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Jumping across to the Haru Invest website, which is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out afterwards. It's important to note that this company is not linked in any way and has zero exposure to the FTX, Gemini, BlockFi, etc., who have recently seen a lot of problems. So it's important that we look into companies like this, guys, because there is plenty of other safe options out there in crypto, so not to worry. The secure way to invest and earn starts here. You can see it's available on mobile as well as on desktop. Discover why members in 140 plus countries trust us managing and growing their crypto assets every day. 4.1 million number of earning payouts with $2.11 billion worth of total transactional volume. This is obviously a pretty well established platform. You can earn up to 13% rates with direct management. That's really cool, guys, because you can hold a particular token. So particularly right now where you've got the crypto market very low down, we've got Bitcoin currently today around $17,000. If, for example, you were to buy one Bitcoin now at $17,000 and earn a percentage yield on that, whether that be 1%, 5%, 10%, that doesn't really matter, because if the value of Bitcoin then goes back to all-time highs, which is approximately 5 times more than it is now, then even if you're earning 2%, that's actually going to be 10% in a year's time. 5%, then that's going to be more like 25%. You get the picture, guys. It's pretty exciting given the conditions in the market right now to be able to earn a passive income. So you can see your crypto earnings begin here. So you can earn 4.5% in Bitcoin. So that's like 22% or 22.5% for Bitcoin if Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs and you're earning at 4.5% on current rates. Very, very exciting, guys. Obviously, the other cryptos here varying 4.3 for Ethereum, USDT with 6, and then XRP with 3%, etc. Now, these may change over time, some may be more, some may be less, and this is a good way to kind of manage your money and move it between different assets, but they'll let you know when that happens and you can move it easily. There's no lockup or anything required, guys, unlike with staking, and you can deposit or withdraw at any time. So it's just basically like having a high interest bank account, but with your cryptocurrency, and you get daily compounded earnings, so you haven't got to wait for monthly payouts. You're getting paid daily, the bonuses, which is great. However, guys, obviously if you want to be able to withdraw, that's great, but if you want to just lock it up and you're not concerned about seeing that money again for a while, then you can actually lock up and earn up to a 25% target, which is absolutely massive. That's like a quarter of your money back on top of your original investment. You can switch swapping coins in just a few simple clicks, and you can become a liquidity provider to farm more crypto. You can freeze your Haru products to collectibles, which are giving you extra earnings on NFTs, etc. So it's extremely simple to sign up, guys. You just need to click down here where it says try for free, click to sign up, easy KYC, and then you can access anywhere, anytime. Something very exciting as well is coming up from the 23rd of December till the 6th of January, where you can earn an additional boost on your interest from 1% to 3%. So potentially massive extra earnings there. And then on the 4th and 5th of January, there's going to be a frost time deal where you can get Bitcoin, Ethereum at a very discounted rate. There's going to be a limited amount of that available, guys, so make sure you get across first come, first serve with regards to that. Coming down below, you can see all the reviews that are given about this platform and how much people have enjoyed using it. And what's very important to see down here, September the 1st, Haru Invest celebrates its 3rd year of operations with new funding raised at a $284 million valuation. Obviously, guys, this is very important because recently we've seen lots of companies within crypto who've struggled to stay afloat during turbulent market conditions. And as we get more regulation and things coming into the market, you're going to see crypto becoming a much safer environment for people to invest in. But it's important that companies like Haru do not have exposure to other companies within the crypto space, because if they have all their investments in other companies who are also holding crypto, which is an effectively risky asset, then that could potentially be damaging. But if they have their own investors, their own separate funding, that's also very, very good to see. Also, I want to jump across to this story on Yahoo Finance. Haru Invest acquires money service, a business license from US FinCEN. This means they've been approved by the US government to carry out money transmitter services, which obviously sets them apart from a lot of the other crypto companies recently exposed by failings. So we look into this top tab then here, guys, we can see where you can earn up to 13% APR with a fixed rate. And if we look further into the Earn Plus then, guys, you can see you can calculate your earnings on Bitcoin for 15 days. So if you had 1 Bitcoin for 15 days, you would earn a 0.0021 BTC. But you can see as you increase the time, you actually increase the percentage. So if you were to go for 1 year, you would actually make 12% of a Bitcoin That's massive, guys. As I've already mentioned, if you're holding one Bitcoin right now, 12% might be a little over $1,500. But if you're looking into a market where you've got Bitcoin at $70,000, then you're looking at more like a $7,000 to $8,000 per year yield, which is cool because right now Bitcoin's extremely cheap. And this is not financial advice, but I do see it going significantly higher in the future. You can see the different tokens have different values. You can see Tether, if you had $100 for a year, you'd actually make $13 on your $100 initial investment, which is absolutely crazy, guys. You could never see anything like this from traditional banking systems where you can earn such a significant amount of interest on a stablecoin. And if we look across to Earn Explore, then you can automate your investments, keeping your investments while you sleep. The automatic investment algorithm follows the strategy you choose and monitors the market 24/7 to create earning opportunities. So for example, down below, guys, you can see the investment strategies come with different rates. Now the target rate is 25% on a 3-month period for Bitcoin. Now obviously that is a target price, it's not guaranteed, but they obviously are showing these because they have been successful in getting these average prices so far. You can see surf with volatility, you can get 22.5% on USDT with an investment period of 1 month, which is absolutely crazy. And then this one, 21.5% for Ethereum, investor period of 3 months. Now, these are APYs, annual percentage yields. So if you put in $100 for 1 month, it doesn't mean you're going to get $22.5 back on top, but you'll get that as a pro rata rate for the month. And this is really cool, guys, because if you don't know anything about trading, trading can be very difficult to get into, but putting your funds in the hands of experienced traders is a great way to maximize your investments. Now, Haru Invest over a number of the others in the game is significantly better in my opinion because it doesn't incorporate a management fee, the performance fee around 15% of the total profit. There's no investor requirement, and unlike the other ones which require something like $25,000 or more to invest, you only need $10 to get involved with Earn Explore through Haru Invest, which is great because it opens up the doors to many people in crypto. So in summary, Haru Invest is a great way for you to maximize your earnings in crypto by earning an annual percentage yield. There's various different options and you can start from as little as $10. Your interest is paid every single day, guys, and you're able to withdraw it whenever you want for maximum peace of mind. Make sure you make the most out of this crypto market right now where prices are extremely cheap, because I do believe they're going to go up. And if you get involved into an annual percentage yield scheme with someone like Haru Invest, you stand to be very profitable down the line. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, GameFi, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.